For now, we have Iya Gozum on the line. She has been in Marikina the whole day watching the heated voting there as well and the heated race, especially with the mayoral elections. Iya?
Yes, Pia. Hanggang sa araw ng halalan, black propaganda ang issue dito sa Marikina. Kaninang madaling araw, a man has been arrested for distributing tabloids saying that Marcy Teodoro, who is running for a congressional seat in the 1st District, has been disqualified from the election race. Stella Kimbo, who voted earlier this morning, has already denied the reporters na yung kampo niya, yung behind sa black propaganda na ito. But Marcy Teodoro says otherwise. He said na sino pa ba yung maglalabas ng ganitong klase ng black prop, kundi yung mga kalaban niya. Actually, this campaign season, the Marikina races have been marred by back and forth of these kinds of black propaganda, no? Lalo na online. Stella Kimbo is running for Marikina mayoral post, has been the recipient of black propaganda about her use of luxury handbags, luxury watches. And I've seen comment sections on different Marikina pages na gumagamit ng AI-generated photos of Kimbo portraying her as a power-hungry female politician. On the other hand, the Teodoros also have been under attack in a different way naman. Marcy Teodoro had to endure different challenges during his candidacy. First, his certificate of candidacy has been canceled, and then he was suspended from City Hall, and then just days before the election, he and his wife, Maan Teodoro, who is running for Marikina mayor, received show cause order from the Commission on Elections, asking them to explain vote buying allegations. So both camps, we've talked to them earlier noong bumoto sila dito sa Marikina. They said they hope na voters will choose wisely, that voters will make the right decision this election day. So right now it's 7:08 p.m. Polls have closed here at San Roque Elementary School, pero marami pa ring tao, marami nag-aantay dito. May mga nakapila pa, may bumoboto pa sa loob ng mga presinto. So far, sa mga napuntahan nating polling places here, there have been reports, issues sa automatic counting machines, no, nagkaroon ng paper jams. Isa na doon yung presinto ni Stella Kimbo kanina, ang tagal niyang nag-antay, ang tagal niya bago nakaboto kasi ang haba ng pila because of issues with the ACM. But relatively, it has been smooth sailing here in Marikina. Aside from those machine issues, magsisimula yung canvassing of votes mamaya sa Teatro Marikina, and later tonight, Mariqueños can expect the proclamation of at makikilala nila kung sino ang bagong liderato nila dito sa lungsod.